guys, welcome to the day to style yourself fabulous. I'm Ruth, and as you saw from my twirl there, today the style one item is about this gorgeous oversized shirt that I got gifted kindly from Kit and Caboodle. It's a one size, it's a size 8 to size 20. I'm petite, I'm a size 10 to 12. I'm showing you how today you can style this shirt at any size to look amazing. It's cotton, it's gorgeous, it's black and white stripe, but it also comes in a blue and white, a pink and white, and a plain blue. Gorgeous. So, in what way have I got this done, you say? I'm going to show you how to do this hack. It's a little button hack you can use for all sorts of shirts. And what I'm going to do is just tuck this bit just into my trousers there. So I've sort of got the front in, the back out. You can see how long this is. This dress, this could be worn as a dress, this little shirt, and I will be styling it up that way. So let me just show you now the shirt as is. Can you see how roomy this is? It sort of swamps my frame, doesn't it? Well, there's a few ways I can style it up, and I have done just that. I love it with a skirt, and you'll see that skirt coming up later if you watch on. I just want to show you though, well, I definitely think it would fit up to probably a size 18. So one size doesn't maybe fit all, but I'll show you how to adapt this particular shirt. Now, I want to show you that quirky thing that I started off with, my button hack. So if you feel that your shirt is far too long, if you fold the back on itself and line up the buttonholes, then you can button it as usual. And that automatically pulls in that hemline to my waistline, as you can see there. Now then the thing is, what do I do with this? Well then the next thing is to take another of the buttons. Not this one, not this one. I'm going to try this one. And I'm going to button it into the next available buttonhole. So you're left with a sort of up and down, an up and down thing, but it sort of just brings in the shirt a little bit. Now, let's see what else I can do. No free buttonholes now. So the next thing I would do then is tuck that in there. Takes a little bit of playing around. So you've got the back out, the front in. It just sort of defines this area and stops swamping it on my frame. So you can see I've added some colourful beads, and I've got a little jacket. I'm going to add now a little short jacket, and I'll show you the full look on Mini Me. So as you can see, I've got my Vivaya boots on. I just love the funky boots, and I like that little pop of pattern at my feet. And then I went for a pop of colour on the top with that green jacket. It's a stylish jacket. I will link my video that relates to that particular jacket and the items I got from Styleway. I have them a few months. Love the Chanel style jacket. Such good quality. And love it with little different colours in it. The necklace is old. It was actually given to me by my friend. I love this because it's lightweight. It's almost like little material balls. I can lengthen it. I can shorten it. Just love that pop of colour. And then I'm going to go for a little green bag. A little crossbody because I like my hands free when I'm out and about. So this is my smart casual, funky, trendy look for look one. For two, I found a great little skirt in a charity shop a few weeks ago. That beautiful knit green. It's like a mint green, and I love it. It was Marks and Spencer's. Looks as if it had never been worn. So it came home with me. I got it for £3. I love the fit of it. I sized up. It's a size 12. It just happened to be that size, obviously. And I thought that this shirt would look amazing with a sort of an 80s twist. Belt it up. As you can see here, again on Mini Me. belted, and then add a pop of colour with the red cowboy boots, the red blazer, the red bag. I just love green and red together. And also, don't be afraid to mix a more pastel colour with a more vibrant colour. It really pops. So I love that outfit. I actually wore it to the office the other day and I felt amazing. And that's how our clothes should make us feel. They should make us feel amazing. So that's the second look for this gorgeous shirt. I have another way to style it. Still sticking with the same green skirt. Again, you'll see that in mini me here. This time I decided to go for a more casual look. So I popped on some training shoes. Now I did try the white. I had a white pair. Didn't look right. I think it's because we're still in winter and I'm not ready for white training shoes yet. But I think coming into summertime or into spring, I think that's with bare legs, bit of a tan, those white training shoes will look really good with that green skirt. But I stuck with my blue ones. They are from Alphabel. They are 100% leather. They are so comfortable and they're still available. So because I went with the blue, I decided to go with the denim blue jacket. So again, I didn't swap out the skirt and I didn't swap out the necklace. So I just changed from the red jacket to the denim jacket, the shoes, popped on a baseball cap, job done. I love that funky look. It's just a nice little running errands look. It's still chic, it's funky. I like chic and funky. So that is 3 ways I have styled this particular shirt today. I hope you have enjoyed it. My friend actually took that video. It's nice to have someone taking the video for you rather than you setting up your tripod and moving it about. So I think that's why that particular video did very well on my Instagram. And if you haven't already checked out my Instagram account, this is my handle over there. There is a link in the description and in the bio. And that would be great if you would check me out there and follow me if you are on Instagram. I would love to see you. I share my outfits there every day and my different ideas on how to style them. Right guys, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I really hope you would consider subscribing to my channel. Remember the little thumbs up. Remember some comments below. I would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this oversized shirt? Would you wear it? I actually think it's a very beautiful piece to have in your wardrobe, and I haven't styled it this way, but I think it'd be lovely with tights and boots just on its own like a dress. So that's an idea. Or coming into summertime with training shoes, just that funky look with a little denim jacket over it. I think that'd be super. So all I have to do now is say thanks so much again for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. God bless.